ChatGPT can now fully control your computer, order groceries, book hotels, or even like cat videos. Remember when you could blame a drunk tweet on being hacked? And now you can just blame ChatGPT. This feature is called Operator, and it's currently only available on a $200 per month subscription. Anthropic released a free course on how to use it, and it's actually pretty good. These are the hottest AI updates from the past week. Clean rolled out an awesome feature called Elements. You upload up to 4 images, highlight the elements you want, and Clean combines them into a video with the consistent characters and environments. Trump is investing $500 billion in OpenAI to beat China. This project called Stargate, and it's basically a mega server for a superintelligence. Looks like Musk isn't too happy about being left out of this one. Also, OpenAI announced they'll be giving everyone free access to their smartest model, O3 Mini. And no, it's probably not related to the free DeepSeek R1 model from the Chinese, which has absolutely blown up the internet. This model is already giving better answers than O1, and it's so free, there is not even a payment button there. Wonder how CIS uses AI? They built a chatbot that lets analysts talk to virtual versions of foreign leaders to better understand their behavior. Pretty wild. Meanwhile, experts at MIT are working on tiny drone bees that might pollinate flowers in the future instead of real bees. Yeah, just like that episode of Black Mirror. Keep an eye out for Honey Jar's label made by AI. Shanghai opened a training base for humanoid robots, where they will learn to help around the house, play soccer, build cars and more. Basically preschool for robots in our new reality. Take care, bye!